Hey people, so I'm going to stick to the whole thing of this being a review channel, and so there is a show called The Riker Case. It's on Woot, and basically it's based in Goa, and it's about this whole mysterious death that occurs in this family known as the Riker. Apparently it's based on a true story, so that's what makes it all the more intriguing, so that's what like the cast includes. It's a stellar star cast, yeah. I mean, in terms of actors, um it is like there is Atul Kulkarni, Ashwini Bhave, Neil Bhupalam, Parul Gulati. So these are the whole, if you were to do a Google search, these are very well known actors. And it's been directed by this person known as Aditya Saptopadar. So, the whole, like, the show has so many of these drone shots, you can see all of Goa. So I find that very beautiful. It's like you're getting to tour Goa while you are in lockdown, so that feels good. But you all can check it out, people. It's called The Riker Case, and it's on Woot. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.